that? Show you guys a little bit of unboxing on something that I got for the channel. Let's get this open. I've been waiting for this for too long. 2 long days. It was 2 days. It was 3 days. Look at that, baby. The Hero 7, I was like, I don't know. I'm the kind of person that doesn't really like to get the newer stuff. It's got everything I need, 4K, 10 megapixels, it goes underwater. I'm just gonna be using it for, you know, POV racing. All right guys, so that's why I also got this little headband. So those racing videos are gonna be pretty cool, coming up pretty soon. Like I said, I'm gonna be racing Marquez. So honestly, Marquez, if you're watching this, get the best tires that you can, buddy. Nicely packaged. Oh, also I got the one with the protective. I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested in getting one of these. I think I paid like 200, like 207 after taxes. Not bad at all. I don't think we're gonna find anything. Oh, this little Acura wants to race. Is that a TL? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, he's got that little sticker on there. Might mean he wants to race, huh? Stop playing around. Oh, just testing the GoPro. See how I like it. It seems alright. I hope the quality looks a lot better than what it looks like on my phone right now. We're gonna get a lot of these races in with this. What is that? Oh man, I'm gonna get in trouble. I gotta go. Yeah, fucking 2.0 turbo. Look at it. I can't do this. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.